Friends, welcome to FreeCAD part modeling tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn additive pipe features of FreeCAD for two different profile. As you can see that we have here the two profile. This sketch is a circular and this sketch 001 is non-circular profile, and we will learn how we can loft with two different profile in FreeCAD as I have already did. So I will show you from the scratch how can you do the same. So for that I will delete this feature, and here is the my sketch 001 where I have draw my profile, and after that I draw a datum plane. If I on it, so here is my datum plane and where I made this circular profile, and then I made this guided curve. So now we will use additive pipe features and make a connection between these two profile with this guided curve. So for that, click on this additive pipe features, and here we will select our this non-circular profile and we will say OK, and we will say object, which is the sweeping path. So sweeping path will be this one. So now you will see that it is a sweeping with this path with respect to this profile, but it is not connecting with this circle. So for that we have to go to the section transformation, and under section transformation we have to select multi sections, and under this multi sections we will select on add section and we will select on this circle. So now it has been did the perfect loft from this non-circular profile to this circular profile, and we will click OK. So you can see that how we have made a loft with two different profile in a FreeCAD. So this is the very small tutorial to use the additive pipe features for the two different profile. I hope you like this tutorial, and I will come with more useful tutorial like this. If you love my method of teaching and you want to appreciate my work, then you can visit the Ko-Fi page, which its link is given in the video description, and at the same time never forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Your small support will help these channels to grow. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.